Tengo un vídeo muy interesante para vosotros. I have a very interesting video for you today. Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Hello and welcome to the channel. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. My name is Nuria and I am your Spanish teacher. You have clicked on this because you have a trip to Spain very soon, and I'm happy that you found this channel because in today's video, I'm going to give you vocabulary that you can use on your next trip to Spain. If you need a little extra help, I've got something for you at the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I teach Spanish. I give you tips, tricks, in anything Spanish related, including some cultural knowledge about my country, Spain. I'm also going to tell you what's the best way to use this video and my intention behind it. So my intention behind the video is for you to be comfortable and confident using these words, getting used to how they sound, and practice. So I will be showing you the Spanish on the screen, whether it's a vocabulary or a sentence. I will repeat it 2 times so you can follow along and repeat at the same time so you get your practice while you're getting your listening at the same time. And just remember, like everything in life, the more you do it, the better you'll get. Let's have a look at some vocabulary and sentences at the restaurant.
Con tarjeta. Con tarjeta. En efectivo. En efectivo. ¿Tenéis menú del día? ¿Tenéis menú del día? Menú del día is like a menu of the day. You can even get like half a menu of the day, which includes a main dish, a dessert, and coffee. Or you can have the full menu of the day, which has a starter, a main, and a dessert, and it's only at lunchtime. It will be maybe like, depending if you're getting a half menu or a full menu, between 10 and 16 euros. So 16 will be for the full menu. Some places will have it for 12, but they're hard to find nowadays. ¿Me traes la cuenta, por favor? ¿Me traes la cuenta, por favor? So could I get the bill, please? Another thing that you can say, and no, it is not rude to say that, is la cuenta, just on its own. La cuenta. Or you can just say la cuenta, por favor, the bill, please. ¿Me podrías llevar a X? ¿Me podrías llevar a X? So, for example, could you take me to the train station? ¿Me podrías llevar a la estación de tren? We'll see that in a few slides, so don't stress out about it. ¿Cuánto sería? How much would it be? There's a question mark missing. ¿Cuánto sería? Necesito un taxi para X personas. So I need a taxi for, let's say, 5 people. Necesito un taxi para 5 personas. Let's say that again. Necesito un taxi para 5 personas.
Now let's have a look at some key vocabulary for a hotel or an Airbnb.
Servicio de habitaciones. Servicio de habitaciones. Room service. Habitación. Habitación. Room. almohada or almohadas in plural. Almohada, pillow. Toalla, towel. Toalla. Horario, horario. Timetable. Excursiones, excursiones. A day trip. Llave, llave. This could be a key card as well. Una llave. Fianza, fianza. Deposit. Hora de entrada, hora de entrada. Check-in time. And hora de salida, checkout time. Hora de salida.
Let's have a look at some vocabulary to ask for directions and also some key vocabulary about places such as museums, hospitals, pharmacies, and much more.
Derecha, derecha. Right? Izquierda, left. Izquierda. Recto, straight. Recto. Gira, not gira, no. Gira, to turn. Rotonda, roundabout. So rotonda, roundabout. If you go to Murcia, they would say redonda instead of saying rotonda. So let's say we want to go to the beach. Excuse me, could you tell me where the beach is? Perdone, ¿podrías decirme dónde está la playa? I'll say it again. Perdone, ¿podrías decirme dónde está la playa? If you think I'm going too fast, keep listening to this video. The more you listen to it, and in particularly the more you listen to it and read the English and the Spanish sentence at the same time, the more your brain digests this information, the easier it will be for you to hear and understand when somebody says it at the normal speed they're talking. Because I can sit here and speak very slowly to you, and you'll think, oh, it's great, I understand everything. And then you go to Spain and they start talking and they talk really fast and you don't really get it. So the more you listen to these at the right speed, the easier it will be for you to actually understand in a normal conversation. In a day to day conversation, in a day to day encounter with a Spanish person, the easier it will be for you if you learn it at the speed that the people talk, the easier it will be for you to learn and maintain a conversation and engage in a conversation with a Spanish person. So do not get discouraged if I'm going too fast or you think I'm going too fast because you're a beginner. Stick with it, repeat it, and I guaranteed you will pick it up. So keep keep listening, keep practicing, and you'll get there. Let's go on to the next one. Médico, doctors. Médico. Hospital, hospital. Hospital. As you can see, some words are very, very similar to Spanish, but they're just pronounced differently to English. So that is, it's good and bad, but it's good that you know exactly what that means. Just need to get used to how it actually sounds in Spanish. Museo, museum. Museo. Farmacia, so pharmacy. Farmacia. supermercado, a supermarket, supermercado. Centro comercial, shopping center, centro comercial. Playa, beach, playa.
Let's have a look at some key sentences while you're at the station.
Autobús, autobús. A very colloquial or slangy type of word some people would say el bus, not just bus, they would say el bus. So el, the article, and then bus. Instead of bus, bus. Autobús or el bus. Tren, tren, train. Billete, or we also say ticket. So billete or ticket. So that's your ticket. And then. So we usually, when you see this accent, it means that this vowel is going to sound stronger on the word. So if I had, for example, this in the A, it would be anden, but because it's in the E, is and then. So anden, and then. I hope you can hear the difference, but that's just for your information. And then platform. For example, 2 tickets to Murcia. Okay? 2 tickets to Murcia. How do we say that with that sentence at the top? Would be dos billetes a Murcia. Okay? So how would we say 1 ticket to Alicante? So un billete a Alicante. Estación. Station. Estación.
Here are some key vocabulary and sentences for when you're at the airport.
Puerta de embarque. Puerta de embarque. Boarding gate. Control de pasaporte. Control de pasaporte. Passport control. Recogida de maletas. Recogida de maletas. Baggage handling. Asiento. Asiento. Seat. Objetos perdidos. Objetos perdidos. Lost property. Tarjeta de embarque. Tarjeta de embarque. Boarding pass. Servicios. Servicios. Toilets. There's another word that we use in Spanish for toilets, which is baño. Zona de fumadores. Zona de fumadores. Smoking area.
Here are some key sentences that you need to know when you're at the shops.
¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Perdona, ¿dónde están las cajas? Perdona, ¿dónde están las cajas? So, excuse me, where are the tills? ¿Podrías decirme dónde está whatever it is that you're looking for? For example, tomato soup or tomato soup, whatever you're from. ¿Podrías decirme dónde está la sopa de tomate? So tomato soup or tomato soup. Sopa de tomate. So let's say that again. ¿Podrías decirme dónde está la sopa de tomate? If you're looking for something in the shop, or let's say that you're looking for bread. In Spain, we love bread and we eat bread every day. So every day we will go to buy bread, unless if you're going to a supermarket, you will buy it every day because it go off and it go hard really quickly. If it is done like it was done back in the day, the bread should last you a few days. So you can still find some bakeries in which you can buy the bread and it'll last you a few days. But this is some household item that we buy practically every day. So bread is pan. So Pan, pan. Could you tell me where is the bread? ¿Podrías decirme dónde está el pan? I'll say that again. ¿Podrías decirme dónde está el pan?
Congratulations for sticking until the end of the video. I have a surprise for you, and it's a one-pager with these vocabulary and sentences that you can take with you in your pocket or in your phone and use them when you're out and about in Spain enjoying your holiday. To download this page, you can go to the box below and you will have a direct link to download the PDF format of today's lesson. If you found these helpful and you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Nos vemos en el próximo video. ¡Hasta pronto!